In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the node.js version in Vercel. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or simply curious about the environment your project is running on, knowing the node.js version is important. Let's dive right in and simplify this process together. First, you'll want to navigate to your project on the Vercel dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your projects. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with a list of your current projects. Now, find the particular project that you're interested in. Each project is represented by a card or a line, depending on your display settings, so it should be fairly easy to locate the specific one you need. Once you've clicked into your project, the next step is to look for the Settings tab. This tab contains all sorts of configuration options for your project. It's an integral part of managing your project's environment, and it's where we'll be addressing today's task. On most interfaces, you'll find the Settings tab near the top, usually as one of the prominent tabs you can navigate to, so go ahead and click on that. Now, within the settings, you'll want to keep scrolling until you reach the Node.js version section. This part of the settings is dedicated to defining and displaying what version of Node.js your project is using. It's typically located a bit further down on the page, so just keep scrolling until you find it. It might be nestled among other environment settings, so keep your eyes peeled. Once you've located the Node.js version section, you'll see the information you need. This display will show the specific version of node.js that Vercel is currently using for your project. It's laid out in a straightforward manner, making it easy to understand exactly what version you have. If you're finding the version number doesn't match your expectations, you might consider updating your project settings or your local environment to ensure everything is consistent with your development needs. Now that you know how to check the Node.js version, you're better equipped to ensure that your project's environment aligns with your requirements, improving both troubleshooting and performance. Checking your Node.js version on Vercel is a useful exercise to regularly integrate into your routine, especially when updates and changes are made to your project or the platform itself. There you have it. We've covered how to find the Node.js version used by your project in Vercel, and hopefully you feel a bit more empowered to take control of your project's environment settings. Don't hesitate to revisit this process whenever you need to reconfirm the version or when making overarching adjustments to your project setup. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks that will help streamline your Vercel projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.